This is the cue called Gabriel. This end down here is beech. It's all spalted and stabilized. All of that blackness is from the rot in the wood. Beech rots faster than a lot of hardwoods. It doesn't take very long when it's just laying on the ground until you get some amazing patterns out of it. You know, several years. Up here, this section is maple burl from out at Alpaca
Hey, Princess.
Loops. I cried when I cut the log open. It was so beautiful. Just some of the most spectacular grain. And when it gets a finish on it, it is really something. It's pretty stuff. And then the buyer chose black locust for the shaft, which is a really interesting wood. It glows under a black light. It's going to have the same maple burl. I made a sleeve for the shaft.